Welcome, Ji. I'm going to talk about six stocks. That possibility they can move in just short term 6 to 33%. So let us discuss one by one stocks and what can those stocks. So first stocks I'm talking about ITC. Okay, and this is stocks if you look the long term charts, this is a kind of a chart that's demonstrated. Okay, but now from the top, from the his tops, he is currently trading in the very low, but you look in the last year, they are gradually going to the up direction. So possibility is that now this can go in up directions. And first things, this stock is a large cap stocks, and this is the rank number 16. And this stocks is belong to the FMCG and tobacco and other business as well as. If you talk about this, his P ratio is a 21, and if you talk about the sector P ratio is a 50. So now this stock is trading less than is the sector. And if you talk about the dividend uh, yield for this stocks, near about 4.5%, and sector dividend is only 1%, 1.5. So this is a very good in the case of dividend paying. If you look the other parameter like management skill, there is no any red flag for the management of this company. And entry point, good time to consider this stock not in overbought zone. And surely this is stock is paying very good dividend returns to the shareholder, and this is surely get, you can get better return than the FD. And currently this stock is trading less than in his intrinsic value. So these are the some specific parameter where you can say due to the flow which this stocks is now getting, can go upper upside in coming short period of months. So you can consider this stocks for analysis. Next stocks I am talking about Dr. Reddy Laboratories, and this stocks is a really a kind of a very good stocks. And if you talk, this is also one kind of a large caps company, and this is the number ranked 65. And if you talk about the current P ratio is a 43, 42, and if you talk about the sector P ratio is only 39. So this stocks is trading higher than the sector P ratio. Due to that, you can say that this stock currently trading is more than its intrinsic value. This stock is surely, from this stock you can get better return than FD. This stock is not good for the dividend. But if you talk about the management perspective, there is no any red flag, and still you can go for this is good time for take entry in these stocks. If you look the chart now from top, you are still you are getting the lower almost 10% down. So next talks I am going to talk about the Tata Motors, and this stocks have a kind of flow. Now in the last 1 year, this stocks is slowly going to the up direction, and this is also large cap stock and rank number 43 stocks. And if you talk about the P ratio as a sector given a minus 430 return, but still minus 8. And if you talk about the management perspective, there is no any red flag for this, and even it's a good time for taking an entry. This stock is not giving kind of a good dividend. Even this stocks is not getting return compared to the FD, and this stock currently trading more than its intrinsic value. So you can consider Tata Motor for a short period of times. If I'm talk about the next stocks, that is HDFC AMC. This is stock very fundamentally very strong debt free company, and they have a very larger potential to grow more and more. Till now, this stocks is given near about 59% return to the shareholder. And if you talk, this is again large cap company and rank number 86. If we talk about the sector P ratio is 27, but this stock is trading 46% higher to higher. And due to that, this is the very fundamentally strong and demanding stock. Due to that, this stock currently trading more than its intrinsic value. But if you talk about the returns, surely you are getting more than FD. For dividend perspective, this is not more attractive dividend. But now you can think for entry, sure. Reason there is a from management perspective, there is a no in the red flag with respect to the company management. This is really very strong. And if you look comparing the, still this stock is trading to down from his top. Is the highest 3,800, and now they are currently getting lower side. So in the last some week, these are in going to the down direction. So possibility is that they can go to the upper side. If you talk about the next, I'm again going to talk about the HDFC Life Insurance. This stocks is in the case of insurance domain. This is a kind of a leader, you can say. And if you talk the number of customer base, and this stocks is now trading some down, but surely this can go to the up direction. If you talk to sector P ratio is 21 only 27%, but this stock is trading more than 107 point P ratio. So really they are trading high. But this stocks again large cap stocks and rank number 34 stocks, and this is belong to the insurance domains. And if you talk about the company perspective, surely there is no any red flag with respect to the company management. Good time for entry. But these stocks are not more attractive dividend payout. But this stocks is really from this stock you can get more than returns higher than your any FD rates. But one point is that currently this stock is trading more than its intrinsic value. Surely for a shorter period of times, even this stocks is very fundamentally strong, and you can go debt free company, you can say, and you can go for the uh, longer period of times. Next talks, I am going to talk about the Dibyani International. This stocks is newly listed company on just near about August, and now they are trading near about low. So highest is a 140 and lowest is a 107. This is first thing. This is a small cap company. There is no kind of a very small cap company, just newly listed. But the possibility here is that can go to the up direction from here. Why I'm saying, because the and which first you think this company, the Bani International, what they are doing. This is the consumer side. They are delivering some food. You know what kind of business these are doing. Due to the business, they are all nowadays online. They are delivering set up your foods. And if you talk about the uh, management perspective, surely there is no red sign flag for this stocks given by this website. And if you talk about the entry point, surely it is a good times. So this is a very new stocks in this listed. So there is no any kind of data available on which basis you can say calculate this is about intrinsic value and other parameter. So if you talk about the business, so if you well aware, this is the brand I KFC. So Dibani Internationals are this kind of product, this kind of foods offering to the customer. And nowadays, due to the online, lots of delivery done by this online about the KFC. This is the well-known brand, and you already know. So due to this factor, I'm saying these are the list of six stocks where you can near future you can get benefit. If you talk about the ITC, surely you can go about the 19% up. Dr. Reddy Laboratory, you can go up 6% surely. And if you talk about Tata Motors, surely you can go to never about 70%. They are targeting 394, current rate 336. If you talk about the HDMC, MC, currently trading near about 2800, now we can expect 3200 and get the 10%. If you talk about HDFC Life, surely consider upside in the coming short terms. About the Divyani International, due to they are almost trading very lower and near about current trading price 113, and we can expect in coming shorter period of times you can look this stock and 151 and you will get near about 33%. The on the business on which this are working nowadays, we are preferring to ordering set of interested our foods item from the online on which the brand KFC brand on which this company is going to deal. You surely the future of this you can consider. So these six stocks you can make your watch list and just do your analysis and just figure out this stock is trading as per your uh, investment strategy, as per your uh, trading strategy or not. If from your analysis perspective any one stocks you can think can be fit from you, surely we can go for the shorter period of time you can get this kind of a profit and book your profit. So from this note I would like to say thank you for watching this video.